Hello ladies and gentlemen, once again welcome back. I'm your host Kasim and watching our YouTube channel Big City Crypto. So guys, basically in this video we're going to talk about another awesome project. It's called Boys Club Meme. So it's a very amazing project. So without wasting any time, let's start the review. Before starting the review, see small disclaimer, this is not investment advice. I'm not here for financial advisor. So make sure do your own research before any investment. I am not responsible in profit and losses. So first of all, you can see I'm here on the website homepage. Boys Club Meme, 4 friends representing memes. First of all, you can see book Boys Community Roadmap, and you can see the binos. So that have a massive potential inside it. So let's scroll down about their project. You can see Boys Club is a Matty Fury most iconic cartoon. Peep, Andy, Breed, and Landwolf are lazy but best roommates. Now all 4 of them have moved in as roommates in the server, and the 4 of them are here to represent the Solana coin. So guys, so it's based on 4 friends. The name is Peep, Andy, Breed, and Landwolf. So guys, let's scroll down. You can see Boys Club token academics. First of all, you can see 19% LP. This project based on 90% LP, 7% CEX wallet, 3% airdrop, LP full burn. So it's a very amazing. You can copy the contract address and you can check it out. Contract address, ownership, renounced, and here you can see all the information about the token academics. So you can see Boys Club, but it on Radium. At this moment this project is you can also you can check only Radium, but in the future this project will be listing on the massive exchanges in the future. So take some time. You can see the Boys Club, you can see the images of the Boys Club, Radium, and Dex chart tool. You can also check it out their project on Dex. You can see Boys Club community, it's a land of make believe, and you can check out happy holidays. So guys, you can follow on Telegram and you can check out their Twitter, and you can also contact via email. So here you can see, first of all, you can see the Boys Club official. This is the official Telegram channel. 12,000 plus subscribers in their Telegram channel, and simply click on VN Telegram and join it. This is the official Telegram group. Boys Club, 15,000 plus members in Telegram group with boys, and simply click on VN Telegram and you will get all the information about their community, and you can also follow it on their Twitter account. So guys, you can see the swap Radium. So if you want to buy, then click on buy now option, and you can see this is the Radium. You can see Solana and Club. Simply click on connect wallet and you can use your Phantom, Solface, and with Google, Ethereum, and which wallet you using is depend on you. So I click on Phantom wallet and you can see my wallet has been connected because I already connected my wallet on this project. So guys, in the amount, how much you want to buy? If suppose let's see as an example, if I buy this token with 1 Solana coin, I will get like something tokens, and you can see insufficient balance. I don't have any balance at the moment, but if you want to buy this token at your risk and then enter the amount, then you will be getting your token. Then click on swap option and token will be added to your Solfair MetaMask wallet, which wallet you using. So guys, I hope you understand. Now we are going to talk about the dextool.io. Here you can see the price of this token is 0.004154. This is the latest price of this project, and you can see the price prediction about their price chart. You can use the indicator for the strategies and their price predictions. Price, MC cap, club, and soul max, and you can see the max price, minimum price, and you will get all the information about the max and minimum price. So guys, you can see the latest buy, sale, everything provided here. So if I scroll down, you can check it out all the buy, sale, every transaction provided here. So it's a massive potential project, as I already told about it. So guys, you can check out their token description and everything provided here. So if I scroll up, you can see the price chart. Here you can see, if I click on indicator, you can use the best indicator, so you can check out their indicator. And guys, the max price is the 0.0066022. Minimum price is this project is on 0.001227 on it. And if I you can check out last 24 hours, this project down almost 14%, and you can see the latest price. And if I click on this download magic copy link, open a new tab, and you will get all the information about this information. So guys, here you can check it out there everything right here. Simply if I click on this option and you will get all the information. So here you can check out the graph of this project, and this project price is going to be up, and but this is the early stage for investment. If you now make investment and now in this project, you will be get high revenue in the future, but at your risk and at your own behalf. I'm not responsible any profit and losses. So the Sol scan is also provided its main their contract. So here you can see market overview price, as I already told about it, market cap, unlimited current supply. So it's a huge holder 718 social channel, DEX tool token, Buzz Club token program, authority, Demsel, and you can track the token extensions and everything right here. You can check out all the transaction about their project. So I hope you understand everything. If you have any question, you can do a comment in our video. We'll definitely reply. And guys, you can check it out their project by yourself. Their Twitter account is